Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video I'm going to show you the Zilliqa live price changes occur in the last 1 hour, 2 hour. I am showing you the live price prediction of Zilliqa in the last 1 hour, 2 hour. So before starting this video, please hit the subscribe button right now if you are a loving man. Please hit the subscribe button if you're watching my video. Let's see the live price changes occur in a Zilliqa price prediction. What's the price changes occur in the Zilliqa in the previous last 1 hour. So first of all, we look the chart of the Zilliqa. As you can see now on the screen, the chart of the Zilliqa tell us that it's a dumping time, it's a falling time of Zilliqa art starts in this hour. As you can see here, it's a very bad news for all the Zilliqa holder. My suggestion is to sell Zilliqa holders in this however, as you can see here, the changes, because the changes is in negative. You have no profit in this Zilliqa in the last 1 hour. As you can see, the changes is also in negative. So what's my suggestion? My suggestion to sell it and be safe from loss. What is your suggestion? Please share in the comment box. What's your opinion about Zilliqa? So as you can see here, the changes is also negative. 0.23% occur in a Zilliqa in the previous last 1 hour. If we see the high price of the Zilliqa is $0.180277, so it's a absolutely high price. But if we see the current price of Zilliqa, so it's absolutely less than the high price. So it's a falling time of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. Now let's see what's the price changes occur in the Zilliqa in the previous 2 hour. Let's see the 2 hour result of the Zilliqa. As you can see here, it's loading. Please hit the subscribe button if you listen my voice. As you can see here, the last 2 hour period is absolutely good, but unfortunately at the last hour they are falling down. As you can see here, the last hour result, when we check the last 1 hour result, so in the last 1 hour the Zilliqa price falls down, as you can see on the video. Now the changes of the Zilliqa in the previous 2 hour is absolutely good, but the current last 1 hour result of the Zilliqa is bad, as you can see on the video before this video. As you can see here, the changes is positive 1.24% occur in the Zilliqa in the previous last 1 hour period. As you can see here, and the high price of Zilliqa in the previous 2 hour is $0.1802277 is the high price of Zilliqa in the previous 2 hour. So that's the live price changes of Zilliqa in the last 2 hour, in the last 1 hour. You are watching on ABS Tech channel. Kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about Zilliqa cryptocurrency.